Hello, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's Iris here, and today we're here with another episode of Beauty Hackers. Before we begin, there isn't anyone who haven't watched our latest video on diet meal prepping, right? If you haven't checked that out, make sure you go right now. Today, we've chosen our topics on the recent poll we had on our community tab, and it is how to make natural face masks. The secret to good skin for Korean actors and actresses are known to be natural face masks, especially the ones with cereal crops. Many people have seen really good results, and it's really super easy to make. We will let you guys know which cereal crops go well with what kind of type of skin, and we'll also tell you guys what products go really along, and we'll also share which products go along really well with the mask. But you can't rest assured simply because it's a natural face mask. Not each mask may be fit for you. Before you try these natural masks, here are some things to be cautious of. Let's go! Number 1. Test the mask before using it. Since the natural mask may not suit your skin, use small amounts on the inside of your arm, and if you don't experience any irritations, go along with it. But if your skin is itchy or if it stings, wash it off immediately and stop using it. Even if this process is a little annoying, you have to go through it for the well-being of your skin. Number 2. We recommend you use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. Even if it's a natural mask, it can cause skin trouble, so stick to the recommended number. Number 3. Make enough for only one use using fresh ingredients. Homemade masks don't contain ingredients that work as preservatives, so the content can go bad quickly, so use them in a short period of time. Number 4. Do not use on areas where there is skin irritation like wounds, eczema, or dermatitis. Number 5. Use the mask for about 10 to 15 minutes. It isn't good to leave on a mask for a super long period of time, especially with natural masks, because the skin's waste that has been discharged can go back into the pores. Leave it on for only 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. Also, this is a personal tip, but no matter how good the makeup or mask you're using is, if your skin isn't fully exfoliated, you're not going to fully receive your nourishment. Just by exfoliating your skin, you can make your skin feel clean and soft. But exfoliating isn't good for all types of skin. I'll be here with the video soon, so stay tuned. Hack number 1. Mask for a bright, fresh complexion. What you'll need: mung bean, rice bran, yulmu, red bean, bowl, and teaspoon. How to. Number 1. In teaspoons, add 6 spoonfuls of mung bean, 3 of rice bran, 2 of yulmu, and 1 of red bean. Number 2. Mix the measured powder and water in either a 1:1 or 1:0.5 ratio. You can also measure ratio of water to powder to your preference so that the texture of the mixture is to your liking. Number 3. Slightly wet the mask sheet in water and apply the face. Number 4. Using the mask brush, apply the mixture over the sheet starting from the forehead and down. Number 5. Remove the sheet mask after 15 minutes. And number 6. Wipe the face with lukewarm water. After using a mask that's good for clear complexion, I recommend you use these products. It's best to use products that contain vitamin C in them that are still gentle on the skin. I recommend you use a vitamin C serum. It's going to help whiten the skin and fade pigmentation for an improved skin tone and texture. Hack number 2. Let's break up acne natural mask. What you need: mung bean, oatmeal, kelp, green tea, bowl, and teaspoon. Number 1. In teaspoons, add 3 spoonfuls of mung bean, 3 of oatmeal, 3 of kelp, and 2 of green tea. Number 2. Mix the measured powder and water in a 1:1:0.5 ratio. You can also measure ratio of water to powder to your preference so that the texture of the mixture is to your liking. Slightly wet the mask sheet in water and apply it to the face. Number 4. Using the mask brush, apply the mixture over the sheet starting from the forehead and down. Number 5. Remove the sheet mask after 15 minutes. And number 6. Wipe the skin with lukewarm water. As much as your skin is sensitive and acne prone, I recommend you use gentle and moisturizing products. We recommend products that would deeply moisturize your skin while staying lightweight so it won't block any pores. Hack number 3. A mask that will help you say goodbye to all your blackheads and pores. What you need: oatmeal, red bean, green tea, bowl, and teaspoon. Number 1. In teaspoons, add 4 spoonfuls of oatmeal, 2 of red bean, and 2 of green tea. Number 2. Mix the measured powder and water in a 1 to 1.5 ratio. You can also measure ratio of water to powder to your preference so that the texture of the mixture is to your liking. Number 3. Slightly wet the mask sheet in water and apply it to the face. Number 4. Using the mask brush, apply the mixture over the sheet starting from the forehead and down. And number 5. Remove the sheet mask after 15 minutes. And finally, number 6. Again, wash your face with lukewarm water. After applying a face mask that's good for your blackheads and pores, here are some products I recommend you use. I recommend you use a product that contains Propolis to boost anti-inflammation and skin immunity. If it reduces pigmentation, controls sebum, and also moisturizes the skin, the better. Hack number 4. A natural mask to help you from blemishes and aging. What you need: mung beans, seaweed, black bean, kelp, bowl, and teaspoon. Number 1. Firstly, in teaspoons, add 5 spoonfuls of mung bean, 1 of seaweed, 3 of kelp, and 3 of black beans. Secondly, mix the measured powder and water in a 1 to 3 ratio. The seaweed powder may clump. If it does, leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it'll be in a gel form free of clumps. Slightly wet the mask sheet in water and apply it to the face. And of course, number 4. Using the mask brush, apply the mixture over the sheet starting from the forehead and down. Number 5. Remove the sheet mask after 15 minutes. And lastly, wipe away the mask and wash with lukewarm water. After applying a natural mask that's good for anti-aging, here are the products I recommend you use. It's best to use type products that increase the skin's elasticity, fades wrinkles, that are still lightweight. And here's a tip! I've organized which ingredients you should regularly use for each skin type when using a mask. I recommend you use low-fat milk for sensitive skin. And why is it low-fat milk? Using whole milk might be dangerous for your skin if you have oily or acne-prone skin. It could be harmful for whole milk with acne-prone or sensitive skin. But low-fat milk is fine because it has, of course, less fat, so it's not going to clog your pores. And those with oily skin should try yogurt. The ingredients in yogurt is going to give you that glossy, hydrated skin. I recommend eggs for combination skin. This is because the whites in an egg will help you exfoliate while the yolk will moisturize. And I recommend honey or oil for dry skin because obviously honey and oil will moisturize your skin. I recommend cucumbers for sensitive or dry skin. But make sure you peel the cucumber before using it. Cucumbers are a natural ingredient that contains 96% water. This is the end of today's video. How was it? Tell us in the comments below. I've also linked some videos in the description box that may help you in the future. Our next video is an episode of Wishtrend versus acne. Those Wishtrenders stressing over acne, make sure you tune in. Now it's time to go. We'll be back with more helpful tips in the next episode of Beauty Hackers. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are beautiful just as you are. Bye bye!